Hey YouTube, got a couple of things today. So let's unbox these ones. Let's unbox this one first. So I'm hoping I think they're both Zippos. So yeah. Oh, it's not. Well, that's not a Zippo. That's my jet lighter. The other one, I had another one, but that one broke. So I bought another one. Well, this one should be a Zippo like that. Oops, it doesn't cut right through the inbox. Nothing else in there. Let's see what this says. Thank you for your purchase, hope you like it, but if for any reason you're not happy with this, okay, here's the Zippo. It's packaged twice, ouch. Ah yeah, this is a Zippo. Sorry about that, I cut the camera by accident. So here's the Zippo. This is me just opening it, so there we go. The armoured case. Zippo, it was £21.95. I paid £13. Don't know. Oh, this one hasn't been opened. It's a big armoured case. If you can see that armoured case, made in the USA. Zippo symbol. Cool. Cool. That's nice. It's quite heavy too. Let's open this. Let's lift the sticky stuff, get some lighter fluid to that. I probably won't use this one, but I don't know yet. Stick it in the box. Never been used, brand new. Yeah, it's quite thick. Let's see the insert. I think the inserts are both the same size. This is my first armoured one. Let's see what the dates are. So we've got A11, so January 2011. And the insert's got L10, so I can't remember, but there we go. Brand new. Let's compare this to just a normal Zippo case. Get a Zippo here. Oh, you can definitely feel the difference. And there's not much of a difference in the lid, but there's not a big difference. There is a difference, but not. But you can feel this one bends and that one doesn't. So yeah. Let's put this back in. I might use this one. I don't know. We've got what other Zippos we've got. We've got a brass one and don't know what other one we got, but sticky stuff. Yeah, I got quite a good bargain in that. I paid £13.99 or something like that, and it's got £21. Well, I think it's £21.95 on there. It was never opened. I just opened it there. So there's the little child safety thing. What's it got in the box? This defective symbol on the bottom stamped with each steel lighter and heavy walled armour. This armour case is about 1.5 times as thick as a standard Zippo case. Armour logo is used under license by Zippo Mark Inc. All rights reserved. So yeah, it's a proper armoured Zippo. So yeah, I'll have a couple more, probably do a review on this one soon. So if I use it, if I don't I probably won't, but yeah, I'll give it a clean, the out case, because it seems to be a bit finger marks and stuff. So yeah, so comment, rate and subscribe. Right.